All right, it's a big day. I finally get to pull my beets out of my garden bed. I planted these about October 20th and now it's January 15th. So it's been almost 3 months. They're bullhead beets, so the maturity time is about 60 days. So they've been in a little bit longer than I wanted to, but it had basically frosted here in Austin, and then I was dealing with a little bit of pest, and so they've been a bit stunted. But let me go over kind of what challenges I dealt with throughout the growing season of these beets, and then we'll pull them out and see what they look like. But today's an exciting day. Even if we get one beet, we'll be happy. But yeah, let me go over kind of the challenges I dealt with, and then we'll pull them out and see how they're doing. All right, the first problem I dealt with was that I started getting bugs that were eating the leaves of my beets. But as soon as I shot some neem oil on top of the leaves, that seemed to prevent them from coming back. So yeah, that was the first thing I had to deal with, but it wasn't too major. But since I stayed on top of it, everything seemed to turn out pretty well. So yeah, definitely recommend using neem oil to keep those pests that love being on the leaves away. Works out really well. The next issue I started to deal with was a little bit of cracking along the root of my beet. The way I kind of coped with that was shooting a little bit of neem oil, soap, and kind of refertilizing. I feel like I was low on boron, so I think that was the problem causing the cracking here. But yeah, that was kind of the second issue I had to deal with during this grow season. But as you can see here, it doesn't seem like it really hurt my plants that much, but we'll see what the beets look like once I finally pull them out. So the last thing I had to deal with was the freeze that happened here in Austin about 2 to 3 weeks ago. And so I had to cover up my plants to prevent them from getting frost damage. I know beets are a bit frost tolerant, but it dropped to about 25 degrees, so I was a bit worried that they would more or less die if I left them out like that. So based off this, it looks like the covering worked, and the two other problems that I dealt with didn't seem too bad. So yeah, let's start pulling these beets and kind of see what we got cooking under the soil. Hopefully we've got some good beets, so let's get started. All right, let's start out with hopefully a good one. Oh, here we go. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, dang it. No, that. Oh no, this is not a good sign. Well, let's start pulling some more. All right, here we go. This one seems strong. No. No. This is not good. Now I'm a bit worried this might be a fail. Well, let's start pulling them all and kind of see what we got at the end of this. This is not looking good, but hopefully there's a few in there. Yeah, just kind of sad. Yeah, let's just start pulling these and kind of see what we got. All right, let's pull a couple from this side and hopefully we'll get some success. Yeah, that ain't it. Let's see about here. Come on. Nope. Nope. Kind of starting to form a little bit, but shoot. Here we go. Okay, this is it. This is it. Oh. No. Dang it. All right, we got some more here. This is it. This is it. Come on. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, this is it. This is definitely not it. Let's just pull these small ones so we can get rid of the suspense. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull the small ones here so we can not have to worry about these ones. Like, look at this. This is not good. Like this one too. Jeez. Again. Another one. This one ain't gonna be anything also. Let's see here. Nope. Nope. These are all just little dead guys. All right, so these are kind of all the beets that didn't germinate into actual beets. So I've heard you can actually eat these leaves. So maybe I'll turn these into a salad. In my Beets in 100 Seconds, I did learn that you can actually eat these leaves, and these are actually what they used to eat back in the day. They didn't actually even eat the beet, like actual bulb that was in the ground. So, I mean, at least I got that going for me. While it's out here, let's give it a taste. Okay, that's not half bad. So, okay, maybe we can salvage these, make a little beet lettuce salad, I guess. But here are kind of the showstoppers that are left. We're gonna pull them out. Hopefully some of them have a beet bulb in there that we can actually eat, but kind of disappointed. But like we said, we're learning here at Chris the Amateur Gardener. So it just sucks when it takes 3 months for you to learn from your mistakes. So that's the tough part with growing, is it takes a lot of patience and time. So I'll start investigating kind of what I did wrong after this. But yeah, let's pull some more beets. Hopefully there's some in here. And yeah, it's still fun being out here on this beautiful day. So we got that going for us.
See anything here? No. Nope. Nope. Nope.
At least this looks cool. So it was a bit of a tough showing during that harvest, but I think I did learn a couple things about kind of how to do beets. And like I said, it's all about learning here on this channel. So if you guys found this video, enjoying, funny, you learned maybe a little bit about how to kind of protect your beets. As you can tell, I'm not a beet expert. I know how to grow lettuce, basil, and cilantro. So those are kind of my specialties right now. But we'll figure out this beet thing so that in the next harvest, they'll be looking strong and we'll actually get some bulbs out of this. So yeah, like I said, if you guys like this video, please hit subscribe. And as always, happy growing.